Hi there, Marina Ventura here. I love finding out about the natural world, and that includes the Earth's climate. We know that weather can change from one day to the next, but climates can change too over the time span of years, centuries, or even longer. So I'm on a mission to fill MapApp with the latest climate information with the help of some awesome climate explorers. Come on then, let's go.
The oceans play an important role in the world's climate. As well as having an effect on air temperatures and rainfall patterns, they soak up more than 30% of the carbon dioxide that humans produce.
There are loads of ways that the oceans can help us spot changes in our climate. If you've ever been snorkeling or looked in rock pools on the beach, you'll know that the ocean is full of all sorts of interesting plant and animal life. What you find under the water depends on the local conditions, and if those conditions change, then those living things may change too. We're going to meet two real-life ocean explorers to tell us how we can learn more about our climate through the oceans. Here's Sina and Emma.
Hi, I'm Sina. I look at tiny fossils from the ocean to learn more about the different kinds of plants and animals that were around when the Earth was younger and much hotter.
How does this help us learn about climates today?
Because in the future, our climate may be similar, much warmer than it is now. It helps us to understand how life in warmer conditions is different to what we have now. My fossils come from a time over 2.5 million years ago, when there were forests all the way up to the Arctic. Hard to imagine.
That sounds really interesting. What equipment do you use to learn from these fossils?
I use a powerful microscope to identify different types of tiny fossils. Some are from plants, including pollen, and some of marine microorganisms, such as plankton, tiny creatures that live in the oceans.
Fantastic. Information uploading, MapApp.
Hi, I'm Emma, and I study coral reefs deep beneath the oceans and research what they are eating. People think coral are plants, but they're actually omnivores like us. They eat both animals and plants. I study both microscopic plants, they're called phytoplankton, and the marine organisms in the area to see what's being munched the most. Coral makes a safe place for baby fish, with lots of nooks for them to hide from predators. So healthy coral means a wide range of other wildlife can survive. A change in the conditions, like the water getting hotter or colder or more acidic, can affect what's available for the coral to eat. This has a knock-on effect on the other marine life, so it's a good way to identify the effects of climate change.
Coral can be found a long way down. How do you collect your samples?
We collect corals up to 2,000 metres below the surface using a very cool robot submarine. Some ocean scientists, though, travel down in small pods that can carry a couple of people so that they can see the coral for themselves.
Sounds like a great way to see the effects of changes in our climate. Ready for upload, Mappy?
Load me up!
Next time we'll be high, if not dry, finding out more about how studying the clouds in the sky can help us learn more about the Earth's climate. See you soon.
Marina Ventura's Climate Explorers, supported by the Natural Environment Research Council, the science of the natural world. Find out more at funkidslive.com/marina.